Tibet was an independent nation. Today, Tibet is an occupied country. So from a historical point of view, we worked with the US government, Congress for 2 years to get the Resolve Tibet Act. Last July, President Biden signed it into law. And this law, because China says that there is no Tibet problem, and this law says that Tibet is yet to be resolved dispute. It needs to be resolved under international law. And this law also talks about the right to self-determination of the Tibetan people, which is very much in line with the 1961 UN General Assembly resolution on Tibet. So, and this law also talks about countering China's false narrative on Tibetan history, because China keeps saying Tibet has been part of China since ancient times or antiquity. So this is one area we're trying to work from the CTA's point of view, and I'm happy to inform you that in the latest 2026 appropriation bill of the United States, they have mentioned for the first time a new language that for the purpose of this act, that is the spending bill, the appropriation, the Central Tibetan Administration would be considered the Tibetan Government-in-Exile. So this language has been inserted for the first time, and for us, this is one step forward, and then we'll have to take it forward with more legislation on legitimization of the Central Tibetan Administration. So these are one area that we are moving, and a lot of Tibet supporters are here. Now we have to do this in Europe as well, and all the friendly countries that we are involved with, particularly in the free world, because we can't reach out to the authoritarian regimes.